Sometimes a flat tyre may be costly and disruptive, but in hostile environments it can be devastating. Now the problem has been solved by the puncture preventative OKO. Developed with 13 years of research and development, OKO has proven its success in the civilian off-road market and is already being used by several Ministry of Defence establishments. OKO was tested recently by the Royal Corps of Transport to prove its wide variety of military applications for both tubed and tubeless tyres. OKO is a glycol and aqueous-based solution which contains many specially prepared ingredients which remain in suspension. About half a litre has been put into each tyre on this Land Rover. Centrifugal forces distribute the OKO liquid around the tyre, coating the inner tread area. As the tyre is punctured, air pressure forces the OKO solution into the hole where it solidifies to produce a permanent seal instantaneously. OKO contains strong anti-corrosives for protection against rust and preservatives to ensure that it may be used in tropical and desert conditions, as well as in freezing conditions down to a temperature of -40 degrees centigrade. It can be washed out from a tyre if required, but normal repairs can be carried out with OKO still inside. Light logistic vehicles form an important link in the resupply chain. Despite multiple punctures, this lorry can continue to carry out its tasks with no reduction in performance. In fact, each tyre can suffer 30 punctures or more before it needs to be recharged or refitted with OKO. This drops vehicle, used to transport combat supplies, is carrying ammunition. Changing a tyre on a vehicle this size would take 2 people 30 minutes and seriously threaten its operational capability. But OKO applied to these tyres means that the vehicle can seal multiple punctures without any downtime or reduction in its operational capacity. It acts in a similar way to a force multiplier. Whilst industrial OKO is not designed specifically for use by high-speed on-road cars, it can be used for covert staff cars. OKO enables them to escape from hostile environments such as a riot, ambush or siege. Tyres fitted with OKO have also been shot at close range. OKO's instant seal slowed down the rate of deflation, which allowed the vehicle vital time to reach a safe location. When a tyre fitted with OKO is punctured, the pressure of escaping air forces the liquid out of the tyre. As magnification shows, the ingredients suspended in OKO begin to bind and map themselves in and over the hole, sealing it in milliseconds. This shows the OKO compound magnified 100 times, plugging the puncture. When a vehicle is travelling, the rotating wheels complete the sealing process instantaneously. These marks show where OKO has made a permanent seal. These Land Rover tyres are being punctured yet again. These tyres now have over 30 holes sealed by OKO, and several weeks later were still in use, fully inflated. So to sum up, the benefits of OKO are a permanent and instant seal to punctures as they occur, substantially reduced puncture repair costs, saving operational disruption through downtime and immobility. And a non-hazardous product, safe for all military air transport. OKO, for proven puncture protection.